Hi everyone, and welcome to another edition of UC Tech Chat. I'm Julie Webb, joined with Matthew Hilton, and today we're going to be talking about the benefits of a cloud phone system for your business. So Matthew, what are some of the compelling reasons why someone would choose a cloud system?
Sure. I think the most compelling reason is really in order to spread the cost out over the entire life of the project. So rather than having to pay everything up front and having a really large capital expense, they're able to take that and make it an operating expense. So it really turns the whole project into something like your utility bill or your cable bill, where you don't have one large sum that you have to pay up front. You really can just take that, shrink it down, and use that throughout the entire life of the plan.
So if you go with a cloud solution, do you have to sign contracts? How does that work?
Yeah, so most providers will give you a contract, and that does seem a little scary to a lot of people. They don't necessarily want to be stuck with a system that they don't know if it's going to work. So, but there are benefits to the client as well for that. So you'll oftentimes have a service level agreement that is going to be guaranteed. So whether that's 5 nines of uptime, whether that's 24 hours a day, 7 day a week tech support, really what you're able to do is kind of leverage the benefits of the service provider and their expertise rather than having to have an in-house person for that as well. So there are certainly upsides as well to having a contracted service.
Perfect. Well, we've talked about the benefits of cloud today, and I know that in previous episodes we've talked about the benefits of on-premises.
Sure.
If someone is trying to choose, how do they make a choice?
Yeah, I mean, it used to be a little bit more cut and dry. You know, a few years ago, really, if you wanted a cloud-based solution, you were getting basic dial tone. So if you really were looking for a bare bones level of service, that's kind of what you went for. And if you were looking for features and functions, that's when you went with an on-premises solution because that's what they could give you. Nowadays, there's pretty much feature parity across the board. So really, it kind of goes back to capital expense versus operating expense, and whether or not you have the staff and infrastructure to support an on-premise solution versus a cloud solution.
Well, thank you. It's been a lot of great information.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us for another edition of UC Tech Chat. We'll see you next time.